Hi students, welcome back to our channel, and this is your favorite tutor, Comfort Amoako-Attah. Today we are going to learn how to use the calculator in solving quadratic equations. And as we learned in our previous lesson, we said that a quadratic equation is any equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So we pick some examples and go through the steps together. The first example we are going to pick is x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Comparing this to our general equation, our a is 1. That is the coefficient of x squared. Our b is 5, and that is the coefficient of x, and our c is 6. Good. When you are able to identify a constant, you now come back to your calculator. Our calculator is off, so we have to on it, and that is perfect. We move to mode setup. Then we identify equation from the list. Number 5 is our equation, so we select 5. Then there are so many equations here. Which of these equations resemble our general equation? Let's move back to our general equation. And that is equation 3. Perfect. So we select 3. When you finish, you now key in your A, B, and C. Our A from our question was 1. So we key in 1 from here. Good. Then we press equal to sign. The B now becomes highlighted. It means that we have to key in our B, the value for B, and that was 5. So we punch 5 on the calculator. Then you press in equal to sign to move you to C. What was our C? The value for C, and that was 6. So we punch 6 on the calculator. Then you press equal to. Then you press another equal to sign to bring out your answers. X1 gave us -2. To show your x2, press another equal to sign. And that is perfect. So our x2 is also giving us -3. So that is how to use the calculator in solving quadratic equations. Let's now give ourselves some examples and use the calculator in solving it. So we have 2x squared plus 7x minus 4 all equals 0. You write down the value for A, value for B, and value for C. Then you follow the steps as we did to bring out your final answer. Thank you so much for going through this lesson with me. Please, I will encourage you to solve more examples. And as I always say, practice, they say, makes a man perfect. Thank you, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like our videos, and share the links to your friends as well. Till we meet again, please stay safe and learn hard. Bye.